KCTV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Ktah Arox 155.
Presiden juga Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala hakalai puai teri kulalingkot arja apulai ulo ong baka Jingphet no jong MLA barim ka Dadangiri constituency u Augustine di Marak syaka All India Trinamool Congress kan Ktah satiaya ka Seng Congress hakani ka election ka Bansa Longshan hakaji kran bigilat pathai kubor uba Vincent H. Pala ulo ong baka party kala dabyo jing tiap lupa nado shitiyo menchwa ba Augustine Marak unsala yaso baga Trinamool Congress hadian ba ulai kendo sop-sop nakapor syakapor ban umukul sangma.
I came to know that Augustine will not contest from us 1 week ago, but when I talked to him, when I called him for the particulars of filling up the form, he personally filled up the form, and being a senior member in the party and a vice president of the party, though I knew that he will not contest from us, he already gone with Dr. Mukul Sangma, had a series of meetings with him. But I think it's not fair on my part to take an action until unless he himself surrenders, and that's the sits where we don't have hopes to win. That's why when I talked to him, he said no, he'll contest. But suddenly somebody told me when I called him back, then he did not even take a form. I think it's something wrong with him. He gave a resignation that his health is not good. But as today, he has been warmly accepted in the Trinamool. So Augustine, I think he exposed himself. You know, in the politicians, we must have ethics, and we must have principles. We must have also ideology. So I don't know. I don't blame him. He is much senior than any of us. But what I could see is that I think he has lost his own trust to himself. He did not trust himself whether he'll win or lose. He doesn't have the confidence of winning. That's why he surrendered. So this will not affect the party at all because we already had a substitute. When I came to know that he'll be winning, we prepared it. We have somebody who already used to work in those areas. He used to work with religious NGOs. So we prepared for that also. So the moment he left, we have already sent their names to Delhi. And I hope that if Delhi approves, and then we should, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we should allow him to file the nominations. So we prepared, so we did not have any problems where Augustine left. And few of our Congress also are left, but like I've said, some have left, some will come back once we have candidates, and many more also will be joining us.